Want to unlock the hidden secrets of a successful Google SEO strategy? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the deep, often overlooked tactics that can skyrocket your website's rankings. First, let's talk about the backbone of SEO, which is technical SEO. If your site isn't technically sound, even the best content won't rank well. Your site needs to load fast. Google loves speed. Use tools like Page Speed Insights to optimize images, enable caching, and minimize code. It also must be mobile-friendly. Over 60% of searches happen on mobile, so a responsive design is non-negotiable. And don't forget security and crawlability. HTTPS is a must, and you should ensure Googlebot can access your site by fixing broken links and optimizing your robots.txt file. Next, let's talk about keyword research. It's not just about guessing what people search for. It's about understanding intent. Focus on long-tail keywords, phrases like best running shoes for flat feet, instead of just running shoes. These have lower competition and higher conversion potential. Always consider search intent. Are users looking to buy, learn, or compare? Match your content to their needs. And don't ignore competitor analysis. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to spy on top-ranking pages and find gaps you can fill. Now, onto content, which is the king of SEO. But remember, only the right kind of content wins. Google rewards what's called EAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Show credentials, cite sources, and use real data to build credibility. Your content should be comprehensive. A 2,000-word in-depth guide will often outrank a short 500-word article if it's truly more helpful. And engagement matters. Low bounce rates and high dwell time tell Google your content is valuable. Hook readers early and keep them engaged. Let's move on to backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of trust for your website. The more high-quality ones you have, the higher you rank. But quality beats quantity every time. One link from a site like Forbes is worth more than 100 spammy directory links. To earn strong backlinks, try guest posting on reputable sites or use Help a Reporter Out, Haro, to get featured in expert roundups. Another smart tactic? Broken link building. Find dead links on authority sites and suggest your content as a replacement. Finally, let's discuss website user experience. Google now prioritizes user experience for the visitor of the website. So your site must be easy and enjoyable to use. Structure your content clearly with headers, including H1, H2, H3, and use internal linking to guide users and Google through your site. Keep readability high. Short paragraphs, bullet points, and multimedia like images and videos help visitors stay engaged. And consider adding schema markup. This structured data helps Google understand your content better, boosting visibility for things like reviews, FAQs, and how-to guides. In conclusion, let's recap. The goal is to master technical SEO, target the right keywords, create unbeatable content, earn authoritative backlinks, and optimize for user experience. Do this consistently, and Google will reward you. Ready to dominate search rankings? Start applying these secrets today and watch your traffic soar.